Good day, everyone. I'm Angelica, Shaira Cabinian, MaEd General Science, and I am back with another interesting video. As we all know, human evolved from species of monkey. Other animals like birds, crocodile, dogs, cat evolved about a million years ago. And all life was from a single-celled organism, evolving to different organisms today. But how did all these things happen? Evolution. But what is evolution exactly?
Evolution theory helps us understand how life once it came into existence, diversified into many forms we see now and from their fossil record. It also helps us to understand or make sense of way which modern creatures continue to adapt and change today. In biology, evolution can be defined as any change in heritable traits, physical traits, such as fur, colors, shape within a population across generations. All living things from single-celled organism to multicellular organism are capable of reproduction, duplicating the DNA and passing it to the future generation. But what is DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, is a chain-like chemical structure in nucleus of your cell, which tell them how to grow and function. It contains coded information. DNA is different for every organism. That's why we don't look like the same. A single-celled organism reproduce by means of duplicating their DNA inside their guts and splitting into right in the middle, and they will grow back to their full size. In favorable condition, the amoeba will be exact copies of each other. But in other circumstances, when DNA are being copied, errors can occur which can modify the DNA code. This is what we call the DNA mutation. This mutation can happen in an incident or in random in any part of the DNA. It can produce variation in the body shape, function of the organism who inherits the modified DNA. In this case, the DNA are now changed, example in shape and function. If the creature survived long enough to grow and reproduce, the new DNA code will be passed to his children. Evolution, any change in the heritable trait within a population across generation. Reproduction in a higher class organism are different. It is more complicated. In order to reproduce, humans, dogs, and cats need to find a partner. When dogs get together, a sperm from the father, which contain a copy of half of his DNA, and egg cell from the mother that also contain half a copy of her DNA, the result will be brand new cell with a complete set of DNA that divide and grow to new dog. The new dog matures to be similar to its parents, but also unique because it developed new traits from the mother and new traits from the father, and its new trait can be passed on to its children. And again, evolution. Any change in heritable traits within a population across generation. The start of diversity of organisms on Earth is because of evolution. The adaptation and change of this species in order to survive resulted to our biodiversity.